The harpy eagle. Oh man, I never get tired of seeing these dudes. They're just watching you. They're gonna get you. They're gonna get you. It's just a matter of when, not if. What in the world is going on, folks? Welcome back to MK. I'm your host, Robin, and today I've been tasked with taking a little peek at Nature is Lit. Now, I'm not gonna say that a second time because the poor editor always has to bleep whatever I say that's considered a little bit naughty, but nonetheless, we're gonna get in there and we're gonna see just what nature has to offer me. I'm very curious. Oh God, I see we're starting off really strong. I don't know what to say about this anime-like creature other than it kinda scares me a little bit. Oh, baby octopuses. Octopi? Octopuses? Doesn't matter. Let's take a peek at these fellas, huh? Oh my God. I wonder what those jelly beans taste like. Hummingbird and bees sharing a drink at a fountain. You know, bumblebees do scare me just a little bit. Actually, hummingbirds kinda do too. Whenever they're near me, I think it's a giant bug. That's not to say I don't believe that honeybees are one of the most important things to Earth's infrastructure and don't need to be saved, because they do. They absolutely do. Spring in Istanbul, Turkey. Some of the most beautiful blooms you will see. You know, it's always nice getting to see a different part of the world, because normally when we see flowers blooming on the trees, it's a photo of Japan. And I'm not knocking on Japan, but sometimes it's nice to see that this type of beauty exists somewhere else in the world. A blue jay showing off. I think blue jays are showing off all the time. There's never a single second where they're not. Norwegian forest cats. You know, I've got a whole new appreciation for nature right now, having just got home from the zoo and the aquarium both in one day. Cheetah cubs. Aw man, baby cats of any kind are definitely cheating. Come on, you can't do this to me, it's just not fair. Plus, cheetahs meow, like come on. Touching moment between mother hyena and child. It's also nice to see some of the more frightening animals on our list be kinda cute, because these guys and African wild dogs absolutely scare the pants off of me. Majestic Dacian waterfall located on the border between China and Vietnam. Whoa. You know, I almost asked where is this, even though they said where it was in the title. I am so tired. Let's keep going. Crystal clear Lake Tahoe water, USA. Oh my God. Definitely don't catch me out on that. I will not set foot above any water, clear or not. I just don't like it. I'm a little thalassophobic. Is that a word? Can I say it like that? White tiger carrying its cub. Oh man, whenever I see a mama cat carrying its baby like that, I know the baby's fine, but it just seems like it's in trouble. A gift from the Easter dragon. Oh, he is the Easter dragon. I wasn't actually expecting that to be legit. Wait a minute, what happened to the bunny? Duckling walking on a lily pad. I wish I could walk on a lily pad. I wish I was as cute as a duckling. The most underrated sea creature. The Dumbo octopus. Wait, the what? Oh, one of these guys. I love them. Well, this family looks a little bit crowded. Is that the mama or the daddy there in the center? I don't think it actually is. In a Disney movie it would be though, and boy oh boy do they look sick of this crap. Huh? Well, whatever's about to fully go down here, I don't think I want to watch. These fights can get a little brutal. See-through striped mackerel. Photo by Alex Mustard. What? How's this real? Dude, the ocean is freaking scary, man. And so are the rivers, don't at me. Oh God, I am not going to try and pronounce that, but it is a species of flowering plant in the parasitic genus Rafflesia. It is noted for producing the largest individual flower on Earth. You know, I was just at the aquarium and for some strange reason they had a fake version of this and hot damn is it huge. But remember, it smells like rotten flesh and is disgusting. It's how it gets its food, hence why the enclosed aquarium didn't have a real one. And I'm sure it would be a to keep alive. Wait, what's the name of this park? Oh, Netherlands. Sorry, I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna look real stupid if I do. We just know it's a park in the Netherlands. And I also know it's a place I need to go immediately to. Stone Forest in China. Now wait just a minute. Those aren't wood. How'd they grow there? Melanistic red fox. A what? Oh, I see. Wow, he or she is incredibly pretty. The underbelly of a glass frog. What? That frog's not made of glass, it's made of jello. Golden horse of Turkmenistan. Golden horse? No way. Well, I just got shown the door, because that horse is made of solid gold. Asiatic ibex. All right, let's see here. Yo, how a mountain goat cooler than me? Volcanic eruption in Iceland. Oh, I see the ash lightning and storms haven't started yet. Well, it looks pretty for now. American kestrel. Oh, they're so goddamn cute. I want to pet one, but I know that's a stupid idea. Look, you can't pet every cat, and you certainly can't pet every bird. Sorvagsvatn, the lake over the ocean. I really hope I got that one right. Oh, I have seen this one before. Absolutely mind-blowing to this day, dude. Meet Queen Lilith. She is one of only 2 leucistic king cobras in the world. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit in awe by this royalty before me. A rather large group of young adolescent male lions looking for trouble in Tanzania by Daniel Dolpire. They're young and looking for trouble, huh? Where are their Letterman jackets and hot rods? I'm sorry, I forgot this was 2021. Lake McDonnell, a salt lake in Australia that's also known as the Watermelon Avenue. Well, I can see why. Holy God. It's a place I'd love to go, but I'm sure it doesn't quite look like this from the ground. Waxing moon perfectly between a slot in Cathedral Gorge Canyon. How do people get these photos? I've taken photos with DSLRs before, and let me tell you, I don't know how the hell something like this gets pulled off. Oh God, mount somewhere in Venezuela, Guyana, Brazil. All right, let's take a look. So it's just heaven. It's just, wait a minute, that's Paradise Falls! Beavers may have the best fingernails in the animal kingdom. Well, they kind of need to have the best fingernails. You remember what they do, right? I mean, sure, their teeth are probably the bigger part of it, but the nails? You gotta have a good secondary tool. Frosty winter morning in Larvik, Norway. I know that's not right. Oh man, I need to go back to Europe someday. And by go back to Europe, I mean actually visit Europe. Oregon is like a different planet. Yeah, kind of. It's not that different from Washington though. Don't let the Oregonians fool you. The most perfect camellia, whatever that says, at Gamble Garden, California. Wow. Nature really do be like that sometimes, and it's quite scary. If I was born looking half as good as this flower, I might have gone somewhere in life. I see your Lake Tahoe summer and raise you a Lake Tahoe winter. There's a good boy in the picture. That makes it so much better. You win. The snow almost deducted points for you, but no, you got the boy. Or the girl, I don't know. I can't check. A baby rhino. Dude, I just saw one of these today at the zoo. Oh my God. Just as cute in this photo, though. The rarest sea creature, pink manta ray spotted. They can be pink? I will always be surprised at the level of genetic abnormality that exists within the ocean. Like blue lobsters? Come on. First low tide after Hurricane Matthew reveals trove of beautiful seashells in Fernandina Beach, Florida. Yeah, it would be Florida. Make sure you're wearing some thick flip-flops if you're going for a walk on that beach though, or you could end up, well, a little messed up. My friend Jay Walborn took this shot just off Highway 93 between Banff and Jasper, BC. Screw you, Canada. Why does Canada get so much pretty? An atlas moth has wings that look like snakes to scare off predators, and it's one of the many reasons that I am utterly and unequivocally terrified of them. Thailand by Floris. What in the hell is going on? The never-ending story's about to end up in this bitch. A Bengal tiger. I never get tired of looking at the big kitties, man, especially tigers. They're not quite my favorite out of the cats, but they're really far up there. A family of adorable trash pandas. You know, I did get tired of the term trash panda just a little bit thanks to Guardians of the Galaxy, but I think it's back on my okay list. Crossed paths with a dinosaur today, a common snapping turtle. Look at that boy go! Colima volcano in Mexico. Ah, see, there it is. There's the ash lightning, dude. There's something extra horrifying about lightning looking like it's coming out of the earth. Sperm whales sleep vertically. That does kind of freak me out. It has no reason to do so, but they're like giant underwater hot air balloons. And that's creepy. A wine-throated hummingbird in all its grace. All right, damn. Can't tell if it's mad or horny. I see you. I took this photo on the island of S. Miguel, Azores, Portugal. I didn't say that right, I know that for sure. I was lucky enough to have the fog clearing up just as I took the drone out. Oh, you lucky son of a... Two blue-footed boobies on the Isla de la Plata off the coast of Ecuador. All right, let's see. These guys have got to be one of my favorite, if not my favorite bird. I mean, look at them. And yes, I know I'm a robin. And on that glorious note, we've come to the end of another video, ladies and gents. But before we get going, let's take a look at today's fan art. MK fan art I made a while back, but never ended up posting until now. Hope you like it. Like it, you know what I'm gonna say. I love it. And I demand to see more from you. You got that? Always remember, if you even somewhat enjoyed this video, consider dropping a like down below, and if you really enjoyed it, well then make sure to get yourself subscribed and click that bell icon. And if you're feeling super generous, why not check out my links in the description down below? And hey, until next time, I'll catch you later.